All right, our friends, happy new moon. Let's pull a tarot card to guide us in our writing this month. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Meg Heyertz. I'm the author of Tarot for Beginners and the founder of Creative Momentum, where we help writers free their voice, nourish their practice, and finish their project. All right, I've got the Modern Witch deck by Lisa Sterle. What quality will guide us forward and onward in our practice this month? Okay, two cards popped out. Got the Seven of Swords reversed and Judgment. This is quite a combination. It is really time to rise to our higher calling this month in our writing as writers within our practice, writers in our communities and in the world. The journey that you've been on, it's time to really step into the reality that you have learned from the journey and that you um, have been becoming a new version of yourself. And now it's time to actually fully be that version of yourself. Um, the Seven of Swords reversed is just kind of a warning to not try to like sneak away from the transformation, to not try to get away with anything. And Judgment is like the second to last step in the journey of a major journey, a major project, um, or a major kind of whatever scale your project is at, or a piece of your project. The final step of the journey is celebrating. This is like, are we really going to do it? Are we really going to take the final step um, to change? And so together, these cards are just really kind of forcefully telling us to not be afraid of the change that we've been stepping into, and that we don't really have a choice besides committing to the transformation that we were hoping for in ourselves, in our lives when we began this project or this segment of the project. Um, so I invite you this month to do some journaling about what transformation has been underway, what fears are coming up around the changes and possibilities. Just because this message is like very serious, um, doesn't mean that we shouldn't be kind and gentle with ourselves. We just need to be kind and gentle with ourselves in the direction of the transformation, and not in the direction of skirting the issue to deal with it later. Now's our chance, and now's our time. So let me know how this goes. Reach out to each other, support each other. Sending you lots of energy for strength and arriving in the new version of yourself and in your life. Much love to you. Happy creating.